Compared to other John Deere dealerships, here at C&B Operations, we offer a unique solution to answer the quick questions related to John Deere Precision Ag Technologies through our very own C&B Precision Ag Support Center. We understand, for many of you, that you don't sit in front of a Green Star display every day of the year like we do. Our trained staff is focused on your operations uptime related to precision ag technology, and we have multiple resources at our fingertips to answer your questions, no matter if you are in the cab, at your desk, or on your mobile device. We are ready to serve you. Pay as you go by calling in when you need assistance, or prepay for unlimited phone support during normal operational hours. Disclaimer: side effects may include, but are not limited to, stress-free planting and harvest seasons, constant smiling, fainting by your local FSA and crop insurance agent due to ease of reporting, jealous neighbors or coffee shop buddies due to how well your data looks, people questioning why you are in such a good mood, ability to select the correct guidance line when you are in the field, much improved golf swing, and year-round tan due to not cleaning data all winter. Visit any one of our C&B Operations locations to get signed up, or contact us here at the Support Center at 507-200-3060. For more information, visit us in the store or online at deereequipment.com.